Okay, so here we are, we're working with algebra tiles, looking at quadratics. We've got 2x squared plus 5x plus 3, and we want to factor this, make it into a rectangle. So the 2x squareds could be lined up like this in one row of 2, or possibly we can move them over into 2 rows of 1. Let's leave them up there. I'm going to move the x's out of the way for a minute, so we're left with the 1's here. So we can put them in one row of 3 like this. So in here, at the top, we're going to have 1 by 3, 3 tiles. And in the bottom, we're going to have 1 by 2, 2 tiles. 5 tiles altogether. If, however, we moved it into this sort of position here, then we would have 1 by 1, 1 tile on the top, and 3 by 2, 6 tiles on the side. That would give us 7 tiles altogether. So 5 tiles is the one we want to go for. So let's put it back into the first position we found was the one we want. And then we can fit 1 by 3, 3 of the x tiles into there. And the space below is 1 by 2, so we can fit the other 2 x tiles there, except we'll have to turn them sideways. There we go, so we factored it, we've made it into a rectangle. At the beginning, when we were playing around with the factors of 2, 1 times 2, and then the factors of 3, 3 times 1, and then we were trying multiplying those in pairs, what we were actually doing was playing with the factors of 6. And the factors of 6 are 1, 6, or 2, 3. So the method goes like this. We'll start with 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. We find the product of 2 and 3, which is 6. The factor pairs of 6 are 1, 6, 2, 3. 2, 3 is the one we want because it gives us the 5. So we do the 2x squared, we split the 5x into 2x, which goes nicely with the 2x squared, and 3x, which goes nicely with the 3. You can see the 2x squared plus 2x rectangle there, and the 3x plus 3 rectangle there. First one factorizes into 2x and x plus 1, and you can see 2x there and x plus 1 there. And the other one is factorizes into 3 and x plus 1. See the 3 there, the x plus 1 there. Altogether, 2x plus 3 and x plus 1. So 2x plus 3 is one factor on one side, and x plus 1 is the other factor on the other side. Now that all remains to be done is to actually show you those factors by putting them in. So we've got x plus 1 is one factor, and then 2x plus 3 is the other factor. So in the top space there, we'd have 1 by 3, we'd fit 3 tiles. And in this space over here, we'd have 1 by 2, we'd fit 2 tiles. Alternatively, we could move the ones so they look like this, that 3 rows of 1. So in the top here, we'd have 1 by 1, 1 tile. And down here, we'd have 3 by 2, 6 tiles. So let's just first of all move these ones over here.